Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about Google Analytics metrics. Here are some of the most important metrics that you should understand in order to use Google Analytics properly and sufficiently analyze reports. These particular metrics are used the most and are more common within Google Analytics. First, we have users. The users metric tells you the number of unique users who visited your website within the selected date range. Next, we have new users. This is the number of users who are visiting your website for the first time. Sessions. The sessions metric will show you the total number of sessions within your selected date range. A session is the amount of time that a user is engaging with your website or app. A single session can include multiple interactions, including page views, product sales, and events. Number of sessions per user. This is the average number of sessions each user has on your website. Page views. The total number of times that your web pages have been viewed. Repeated views on a single web page are also counted. This can include reloading the page or returning to a page after navigating through the website. Pages per session. This is the average number of pages that are visited in a single session. Average session duration. The average duration of time that a session lasts on your website. Bounce rate. This is the percentage of single page sessions where the user does not interact with the web page. This means the user immediately left your website without clicking on anything. And finally, we have percentage of new sessions. This is the percentage of new sessions which have occurred on your website. So it's the percentage of sessions from users that have not visited your site before. And they are the most important Google Analytics metrics that you should definitely understand. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.